Here is LightBlue app, the go-to BLE development tool. So you can see in here, LightBlue can connect you to all of your devices that use Bluetooth Low Energy, also known Bluetooth Smart, Bluetooth Light. Has two modes, central and peripheral. In central mode, you can scan for and connect to all the BLE devices around you. Once connected, you have a detailed view of all the devices' profiles, from which you can read and write to characteristics and subscribe to notifications. To enter BLE peripheral mode, navigate to the Virtual Devices tab and tap on the plus icon to create a virtual device. Full support of read, write, and notify is included. Long tap allows you to keep track of all significant BLE events that occur while using the app. Use LightBlue to test your new BLE heart rate monitor, temperature sensor, microchip, development boards. So that's the app in here. That's just what you have. And then you can just open it up, and you can use it also for development. And then you can see all of the devices near you, which you can find. And then there's log, and that's the idea.